The female body is a marvel of nature, a complex and beautiful tapestry woven with intricate threads of biology. One of its most fascinating aspects is the capacity for pleasure, particularly the experience of orgasm. Understanding the science behind female orgasm dispels myths and empowers women to embrace their bodies and desires fully. This exploration into the science of female orgasm will unravel the biological intricacies involved, shedding light on the physiological processes at play. By delving into the anatomy and the cascade of events leading to climax, we can appreciate the remarkable design of the female body. Let's embark on a journey to demystify the female orgasm, replacing misconceptions with scientific truths. To truly grasp the science of female orgasm, it's crucial to first understand the key anatomical players involved. The clitoris, often considered the epicenter of female sexual pleasure, plays a central role. This small, highly sensitive organ, located at the top of the vulva, is richly endowed with nerve endings. Its sole purpose is to transmit pleasure, making it a key focal point during sexual stimulation. The vagina, the muscular canal that connects the external genitalia to the uterus, also plays a vital role. During arousal, the vagina expands and becomes lubricated, preparing for penetration. The pelvic floor muscles, a group of muscles that support the pelvic organs, are also essential for sexual function and pleasure. Understanding the anatomy of these key areas provides a foundation for comprehending the physiological processes involved in female orgasm. The female orgasm is a complex cascade of biological events, a carefully orchestrated play of hormones, neurotransmitters, and muscle contractions. During sexual stimulation, blood flow increases to the genital region, causing the clitoris and labia to swell and become more sensitive. As stimulation continues, nerve endings in the clitoris and other erogenous zones send signals to the brain, specifically the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus releases neurochemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins, creating feelings of pleasure and relaxation. The buildup of excitement culminates in orgasm, characterized by rhythmic contractions of the pelvic floor muscles. Understanding this interplay of biological processes highlights the complexity of female orgasm and the importance of both physical and psychological factors. Section 4. Beyond the myths, embracing the truth. For far too long, female orgasm has been shrouded in myths and misconceptions, often perpetuating unrealistic expectations. One common misconception is that vaginal intercourse is the primary or only way for women to achieve orgasm. In reality, while some women can orgasm through intercourse alone, many require direct clitoral stimulation. The clitoris, with its abundance of nerve endings, plays a central role in most women's orgasmic experiences. Another myth is that all women experience orgasm easily and consistently. The truth is that there is a wide range of variation in female orgasmic response. Emotional well-being, relationship dynamics, and cultural influences can all impact a woman's ability to experience orgasm. By dispelling these myths and acknowledging the diversity of female sexual experience, we can create a more open and accepting environment for women to explore their sexuality. Section 5. The mind-body connection, where science meets pleasure. The mind, with its thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, can either enhance or inhibit the body's natural capacity for arousal and orgasm. Stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts can create a physiological state that makes it difficult to relax and become aroused. On the other hand, positive emotions, such as love, joy, and excitement, can enhance sexual desire and response. Cultivating mindfulness, self-compassion, and a positive body image can help create a more conducive mental and emotional environment for experiencing pleasure. Engaging in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can calm the nervous system and reduce stress. By understanding the mind-body connection, women can learn to identify and address psychological barriers to sexual pleasure. Section 6. Cultivating intimacy. Knowledge for deeper connections. The science of female orgasm is not merely an academic pursuit, it's a pathway to deeper intimacy and more fulfilling relationships. By understanding the biological and psychological factors at play, both partners can cultivate a more pleasurable and connected sexual experience. Open communication is paramount. Partners can engage in honest conversations about their desires, needs, and preferences, creating a safe and trusting space for exploration. By understanding each other's bodies and what brings pleasure, couples can enhance their physical and emotional connection. Experimentation is also key. Couples can explore different forms of touch, stimulation, and positions to discover what feels best for both partners. Patience and understanding are essential. By approaching intimacy with patience, compassion, and a willingness to learn together, couples can create a deeply satisfying and connected sexual relationship.